guys, today I'm going to share some CMD tips and tricks that I think are quite cool and useful. But what is CMD? CMD stands for Command Prompt. This is an inbuilt application which comes with Windows, and allows you to communicate directly with your computer using specific commands. All of the command lines that we use will be posted in the description below, for you to just copy and paste. First you need to open the CMD app. This can be found by just searching for it in the Windows search box. Now type prompt and your chosen text to change the text before each command. Type prompt /? for a list of useful commands to go with it. I will use these ones. As you can see, the $ with a T will make it display the timestamp. The $ with a P after it will display the current drive and path. And the $ with a G after it will display the greater than sign. Type color followed by a number to change the text color, or type color /? for a list of colors. I will use green, so I will type color followed by the number 2. But you can use any color you want. Type title, and then your chosen text. This will change the title. Type help for a list of common commands and what they do. Type a command, and then / followed by a question mark for an explanation of what that command does. Press the up and down arrow keys to cycle through recent commands. Or type doskey followed by a / and then history for a list of recent commands. Or just press F7 for a pop-up of recent commands. Put 2 ampersands between 2 commands to run those 2 commands at the same time. Although Ctrl+C is usually used to copy, on CMD it is used to abort a running command. Type ping, then a website domain to get the website's IP address. Type OSK for the on-screen keyboard. And now for my favorite, type the full telnet command as you can see on the screen, or copy the command from the description below, to watch Star Wars in a manner that you have never seen before. If it doesn't work, then you will need to enable Windows features. To do this, search for Windows features in the Windows search box, and a pop-up box will open. Scroll down until you see the option of Telnet Client and check the box next to it to enable it. Then press OK. Type the telnet command you see on the screen, or copy it from the description below, for an excuse generator. Type system info, for all your PC information. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, to get more amazing weekly content.